Being street ready means you're competent, capable, and safe in everyday scenarios. Street ready is someone that is ready to respond to any emergency, whether that be personal emergencies, medical emergencies, or even self-defense scenarios. In 2022, we saw a world at odds. Myself and my martial arts instructor at the time, Michael Loureiro, were training in the Ironbound in Newark. We decided that we needed to offer a service that could benefit people in the community. I wanted to bring my medical skill set, and Michael wanted to bring his self-defense skill set into a product that we package as street ready. Mike and I have both grown up in urban environments, and this was the product that we wish we had as kids. A toolkit for any scenario that life throws, whether that be you're scared in your bathroom because someone in your family is bleeding out, right? Or whether you see your sibling choking, or whether you see someone breaking into your car. These are things that are real life situations that happen in Newark that we need solutions for. Street Ready is that solution. Over the past 3 years, we've been crafting our techniques and methods to apply this Street Ready product to every business, hospital, organization, school in the greater Newark area and in the East Coast. This is a project that is only full of promise.